Google Pixel 7 is now official. The smartphone debuted along with Pixel 7 Pro in the global market on October 6. The handset comes powered by the company's own Tensor G2 processor and has a price tag of $899. The Google Pixel 7 will be sold in snow, obsidian, and lemongrass color options. Google has announced a limited time launch offer including a cashback on the new Pixel phone. Specifications: Google Pixel 7 Pro. Display 6.7 inches, resolution 1440x3120 pixel. RAM and storage 12 GB RAM. Storage 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. And no card slot. Color options: snow, obsidian, and lemongrass. Processor: Google Tensor G2. Operating system: Android 13. Rear camera 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel. Front camera 10 megapixel. Battery 5000 mAh. Price $899. The smartphone gives a strong competition to Apple iPhone 14 that was launched in September this year. If you are wondering which among the two flagship phones will be a better choice, at the event held on October 6th, Google also launched its first ever smartwatch, the Pixel Watch, first unveiled at the Google I/O event in May. The latest Pixel Watch smartwatch is Google's answer to Apple's popular Apple Watch series that only works with iPhones. The device is made up of 80% of recycled stainless steel, which aligns with Google's sustainability goals. The device also comes with a handful of wristband options. It has also features such as contactless payments, turn-by-turn directions, heart rate variability, heart rate monitors, etc. Its dial comes in 3 colors: black, silver, and gold. Users can upgrade the smartwatch with different colored bands. Google Pixel Watch's price starts at $349 for the Bluetooth variant and $399 for the LTE variant. Its specific pricing details remain unclear. It is available to pre-order in select countries starting today, October 6th. Thanks for watching.